Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, that's one of the filters. That's the skin that came off on the filter. Hey you guys, Madison here. I've got my kids down for bed, so we are gonna do some Microderm Glo. So a Microderm Glo is essentially a microdermabrasion treatment at home. So a microdermabrasion treatment gently sands down your skin, removing that thicker, uneven outer layer. It can be used to treat light scarring, discoloration, pores, sun damage, and even stretch marks. So the average cost to go in to get a microdermabrasion treatment is $136. Now the Microderm Glo is $200, and the Microderm skincare bundle is $250. So what I got with the bundle is the Microderm Glo, and it comes with the diamond tips that you will be using. Let me show this. So this is the case that it comes in. It's very nicely packaged. It comes with a bag to put the Microderm Glo inside, which is really nice. It comes with 2 different diamond tips. One's a little bit bigger, one's a little bit thinner, a little bit finer. You're going to want to use this cleaner to scrape off the tip here. So the microdermabrasion, it's a section. So this is going to be sectioning your skin, so you're gonna have a lot of your dead skin cells coming off. So this is to clean it off. It also comes with these extra filters, but with this $250 bundle, you also receive the ultrasonic facial brush, and I'm not gonna be using that in this video, but I am super stoked to be trying this. It also comes with a peptide complex serum with hyaluronic acid and 3 times active peptides, amino acids, aloe vera, and plant and fruit extracts. So this is gonna be good. Always having a peptide complex is really good. And then it also comes with 100 extra filters. So you wanna switch out your filters. See, these are the filters. You wanna switch out your filters every single time. So $250 compared to $136, you're actually going to be saving money, because you can actually do a microdermabrasion treatment every 2 to 4 weeks. So if you're doing that every 2 weeks, this stuff basically pays for itself compared to going in for one $136 treatment. And you will normally see drastic results after about between 6 and 12 weeks. By cleaning your face really well, you actually want to have your face very dry for the microdermabrasion, for the Micro Glo. So I'm gonna wash my face really well, and then I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes so that I don't have any moisture in my skin. But to wash my face, I'm actually going to be using the Duval Radiant Spin Care System. If you want an extremely deep clean on your face, your hands are just not going to cut it. Having this Duval skincare system is amazing. It is a extremely deep clean. If you want your pores really cleaned out, this stuff works 6 times better than your hands. It comes with 4 different accessories. You have 2 for your face that are different: facial cleansing brush, a facial exfoliating brush, a large body cleansing brush, and dun 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 dun, a pumice stone. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but a pumice stone for your feet. And after this summer, I know I need that. So the one thing I absolutely love about the Duval skincare system is that it does all the work for me. You turn it on, this spins, it's super gentle on my skin. You use your favorite face wash, cleanser, and you're good to go. It's actually pretty quick, but my skin feels like really good after I wash my face with this stuff. We actually have a promo code down below in the description for 70% off. 70% off. So go find this down in the description, grab that promo code, and snatch one of these babies. Okay, so my face is washed, dried, ready to go. So I started charging this a few hours ago. It comes with a little holder thing, and you connect it to this USB cord, plug in the USB simply, and this goes right in there, and you charge it for a few hours. So the cool thing about this Microderm Glo is that it does come with this screen here. And the screen you can either set to manual or auto. And if you set it to auto, it will actually tell you what you need to be doing, what part of the face to do, which direction to go. And you'll go over the skin twice in each spot, and then it will beep and to let you know to move on to the next section. And you can also change the settings of the section. So you can have it, I believe it has 3 settings. You can start, 1 is the lowest, 2 or 3. Okay, so I have it set to auto, level 2, where it says to start on the cheeks. So I'm going to use the wider diamond tip. So again, this right here is going to be, this right here feels pretty rough. This is what's going to be kind of taking off all of those dead skin cells, scraping them off, and then the suction goes through here. So the filters that it comes with, you put at the bottom, and then you just place it in. Okay, so I've started it. You don't, oh, you gotta move it quickly. Don't leave it in one spot. So you kind of have to hold your skin tightly. Whew. This has a strong suction. Okay, and you don't want to go around your eyes. So, okay, I'm going over it twice. Okay, I'm doing the next eye. With micro needling, you can go underneath the eyes. With this, you need to avoid it. It won't be good. Okay, wants me to go to the nose. I did do the cheeks. It gave me a minute to do them. I did it. For the nose, I'm going to put on this finer tip because I really want to get in those crevices and everything. So we will see how this goes. Okay. And it says to go down. I'm gonna up the level on my nose. I feel like it's not quite as strong on here. Oh, you know what? The suction isn't as good. So I'm gonna clean off this. There's like a bunch of, I don't know if you can see, there's like skin particles. My skin's on there. But I'm gonna go a little bit strong on my nose. My pores need this so bad. Okay. And I'm gonna get above my lip. So the awesome thing about this is that this also boosts your collagen, which obviously is a huge benefit. I am going to go down to my chin and then move up to my forehead. Gotta like kind of tighten your skin a little bit. It makes it easier. A little bit harder to get like it to actually, oops, I'll turn it off, to get it to suction on the forehead. All in all though, like this is really easy to do. Okay, that's that. That was super easy to use. Let's check out the filters. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, that's one of the filters. That is all the skin that came off. That's the skin that came off on the filter. Oh my gosh, well, it legit works. I can see skin on here on the tip that I will be cleaning off, but like that's really awesome. So I was looking on post microdermabrasion care, and one thing you want to do is avoid the sun. You want to avoid the sun as much as possible for like the next week or two. So if you're going out, I know I'll be taking my kids to the pool probably soon, so I'm going to be wearing a hat. If you are in the sun, make sure you're wearing sunscreen for sure. You should be doing that anyways, but especially after a treatment like this. If you're taking any sort of skincare products like retinol, Retin-A, things like that, just double check. A lot of those you shouldn't be taking right after. You might need to wait a few days. Okay, so I'm now going to put on the Peptide Complex Serum that came with the kit. Right there. Put that on my face. I'm probably going to put some on also first thing in the morning. And your skin could be a little bit sore after this, so it's nice to do this at night so that you're not in pain during the day or having any sort of discomfort. Okay, and that's that. All of the links to all of the products that I use are going to be down in the description below. And please, if you liked this video or found it super helpful, please subscribe to our channel and also like this video. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.